This is the center shaft which is broken. See, you can have a look. This is the center shaft which comes here. The shaft goes from here and it will come throughout this. So this is the center shaft which is broken. So I replaced a small screw. It is very easy to fix. So in place of this, I replaced a screw. You can have a look. And I fixed it successfully. Let us see how to do that. It is very simple. Spoiled. That means the center rod is broken. So you can repair this in a simple way. If you closely look, see, that is broken. There will be a small rod in center that is broken. Take such type of thing. It has to come out from this nail and hit it. Yes. Now that broken center piece has come out. This side also you have to remove. I am talking about this one. There will be a small. Actually, this is through and through rod which goes through this. Here also. You have to remove the other piece which is stuck up inside. For the pieces, this is through and through which goes inside. So now you have to fix something, the dia which is equal to this. Now when you hit, these two has become closer, so that's what this is not going inside. Very simple. Take a screwdriver and you grab. Not to, please take care not to break this. Yes, now it is going. So check the length. So the length must come out through this. Before that, check whether it is fitting or not. Yes. So place it. Yes, this is tighter. Yes, the door is locked. I hope this video is very useful. Let us meet again.